Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to upgrade the Honda Brace. Step 1. Remove its air conditioning button panel. Step 2. Unscrew the screws that secure the original car screen. Then unplug all the plugs on the back of the screen. Now that the disassembly is complete, let's start connecting the wires. This is the 4th generation antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is a video input cable. These two are USB transmission cables. This is an RCA audio cable. Now we are connecting its Canbus box. Then connect its radio antenna. Reconnect its protocol serial port. Reconnect the screen power plug. Connect the reverse rear-view plug again. Finally, we connect the original car plug according to the size of the plug. OK, install the screen and the original car air conditioning button to complete the upgrade. Because this car is equipped with Canbus, we need to set it up. For the first installation, after setting it up, it can support some of the original car's functions. In addition, it supports door reminders, support reversing camera, support steering wheel button control. Supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Support local or online map navigation. Support automatic radio station search. You can watch local or online videos. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.